Hello everyone, welcome to Engineer Solution. I hope all are doing well. This video is completely for beginners who have no knowledge in AutoCAD. In this series of tutorial, I will teach you complete 2D and isometric drafting and 3D modeling using AutoCAD. In this particular video, we will learn about the difference between AutoCAD and AutoCAD LT and introduction with Autodesk AutoCAD user interface. So let's see. When you first open your AutoCAD, this type of window will be shown. It is also depend on which version you use. Like I am using Autodesk AutoCAD 2018. And till now AutoCAD has two variants. One is Autodesk AutoCAD and other one is Autodesk AutoCAD LT, means lighter version of AutoCAD. Both are leading design and engineering software. Both offers 2D drafting and documentations along with design, connectivity and customization features. The primary difference between these two software is that Autodesk AutoCAD has the capabilities to do the 3D modeling and collaborations along with several other special features. But Autodesk AutoCAD LT don't have that capability. Apart from that, both are same. Now we will see the different features and its function of this window. Like here is the option Start Drawing. To create a new drawing, you have to left click on it. And there is an option to choose your required template. Like if you want to work on 15 inches unit, then you have to choose ACAD.DWT template. And if you want to work on millimeter centimeter unit, like metric unit, then you have to choose ACAD ISO DWT template. And here is the option of open file. If you already have created drawing files, then you can open those files from here. And you have given that path where your AutoCAD files are saved. And here is the option of recent documents from where you can open your recently working files in AutoCAD. The upper portion of this window is not activated right now. It will be activated when we start a drawing. So we'll start a drawing by left click on the start drawing. This area is called drawing area on where we will do our required drafting and 3D modeling. At first, we will learn the term of the different part of AutoCAD and then we will learn about the function of those terms later on. Like this is called view queue, and this is the navigation bar, this is command bar, and this is status bar, this is layout bar, this is file tabs, and this is called ribbon. And ribbon has contains lots of tabs and lots of tabs contain lots of palette, and each palette contains several tools. And this is called application menu, in where the lots of options are there. Like new, you can create a new drawing from here. Also you can open your existing DWG file from here. You can also save and save as, import and export. Others options are there. The similar options are there also, but we can directly go through just by click on them. So this is called quick access bar. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me on the below comment section. Thank you.